Hello, Namaste. Myself, Dr. Deepa, Holistic Wellness Homeopathic Consultant. And today I am going to present you with a very simple topic, homeopathy for all. Your queries today I am going to solve. Healthy family, happy family. So, uh, homeopathy is a medical science introduced by German scientist Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, MD, in 1796, and it has been in use all over Europe, the US, Australia, most parts of Asia, the Middle and Far East, and India. It is the most practiced alternative system of medicine in the world today, as per the World Health Organization. So, there are certain myths and facts today I am going to discuss with all of you. So first myth is homeopathy is a simply herbal medicine. Actually, homeopathy is a much more than herbal medicine. It has medicine sourced from herbs, minerals, chemicals, animal products, organisms, etc. It is backed by a sophisticated method of medicine preparation, sound scientific principles, and deep philosophy. Second, homeopathic medicines cannot be taken with the conventional medicine. Like if you are on diabetic tablet, if you are on hypertensive tablet or anything, so suddenly we can't stop. So many times the question comes, can we take this? Surely conventional medicines and homeopathic medicines can be safely together with advantage without any harm, and this is actually proven fact. Coffee and onion cannot be taken during homeopathic treatment. Some drugs, there are certain drugs for that this was required, like don't take coffee, don't take onion. So if you want to take onion coffee, give a gap can be given half an hour for the if you are taking any medicines. Homeopathic medicines are prescribed only for the mental symptoms of the patient, not correct. Study of disease, diagnosis, and mental attributes are studied in homeopathy. All the three things are. Investigations such as X-ray, blood test, MRI, etc. are not required for homeopathic treatment. This is also a myth. All sorts of investigations are required and useful for better and effective homeopathic treatment. So, dear friends, I am a author for a book, Panchakosh. So, our human body is made up of 5 layers: Annamaya Kosh, Pranamaya Kosh, Manomaya Kosh, Vijnanamaya Kosh, and Anandamaya Kosh. So, koshas are related to our cells, DNA, tissues, organs, energy field within us, our feelings, mind, higher consciousness, and the unconscious divine spark within us. So, Annamaya Kosh is related with your food, whatever the food you are eating, the nutrition food you are eating. There are three types like sattvic, rajas, and tamasic. These three foods are there. So depending on what food we eat, we become our thinking pattern and all. So nutrition is one concern. So Annamaya Kosh is very, very important. Pranamaya Kosh is a breathing, the way we breathe. Our emotions change. If we are in anger, our emotions are different. And if we are in stress, the pranamaya, the breathing pattern change. Manomaya kosh is related with your emotions, your feelings, your intellect, your memory, what you think, how you think, your attitude. So at Lifetron Healthcare Homeopathic Clinic, we treat all these three areas, your Annamaya Kosh, Pranamaya Kosh, and Manomaya Kosh, along with the homeopathic treatment. That's why here it is a holistic wellness. You when you are visiting Lifetron Healthcare, then you are visiting a complete wellness clinic. So these are very important aspect, and I really deeply studied all these dimensions of human body and form, and surely my knowledge will help you to overcome all the disease pattern. So whenever you go to homeopath, you be prepared. Like the homeopath will ask many questions for you, because it is a very important step. A case taking is a very important step. Like yeah, they will ask about lifestyle and state of a mind, family history, past history, diagnostic reports, any health problems, stress, work life, your personality, emotions, food and habit. See, if you are able to give us all this kind of the things, then we are able to give you the best, to analyze your problem, what the things are there. Now the new research is telling the stress is the one of the factor for all the diseases. Everything is related with the stress. So be ready whenever you are visiting any homeopath. Give the complete history to the homeopath. So what exactly, like after case taking, what medicines we are going to give you? What medicines we are going to? So they are like mother tinctures, some dilutions and globules. Mother tinctures like half cup of a water, and you can add 8 to 10 drops, and that you can drink. Other are dilutions. Dilutions also can be taken in a water, or dilutions can given into the globules, into the homeopathic globules. You may feel like the globules are same, but that is not the truth. The truth is in that globules, the dilutions which we are putting are totally different. So very easy to take. Children love the homeopathic medicines as it is very easy to administer. Do not eat anything before and after 10 minutes of taking homeopathic medicines. You should follow this thoroughly. So very easy technique. If we see the worldwide, what is the thing now? Number of like 80 countries where homeopathy is currently widely used, and in India, you are able to meet homeopath each and every place. 42 countries which has given legal recognition to homeopathy. 28 countries have recognized it as a part of complementary and alternative medicine. So this is the system which is used international level. During this COVID-19 situation, arsenic album has proven a big relief or some sort of soothing to all the general population. Adults are advised to take a 6 globules, and children are advised to take a 4 globules. Daily morning on an empty stomach for 3 days. Repeat after 1 month. Further dose only on advice of a homeopathic practitioner. Directly don't go to the pharmacy and purchase this arsenic album 30. You need to take advice. You take advice from your homeopath. And many times, once if you are having exposure to COVID, many people are repetitive taking arsenic album. No, this is not the thing. Symptoms change, the remedy change. This information all over India, not only in India but internationally also, the arsenic album 30 becomes the medicine as an immunity booster. And yes, it is a verified. Ayush department recommends arsenic album 30 for immunity boosting, but I advise all of you to consult a homeopathic physician. So these are the quotes from the various Swami Vivekananda, Rabindranath Ji Tagore, and Mahatma Gandhi. As per Swami Vivekananda, an allopath comes and treats cholera patients and give them his medicines. The homeopath comes and gives his medicine and cures perhaps more than the allopath does, because the homeopath does not disturb the patient but allows the nature to deal with them. Rabindranath Ji Tagore says, I have long been an ardent believer in science of homeopathy, and I feel happy that it has got now a greater hold in India, that even in the land of its origin. So land of origin is Germany. They're from Master Samuel Hahnemann. So that was they are telling, like it has got now a greater hold in India, that even in the land of its origin. That is true even today in this 2020. And it's not merely a collection. Mahatma Gandhi ji, father of nation, feels like the large percentage of cases, it's a safer, economical, and most complete medical science. Homeopathy is one of the few medical specialties which carries no penalties, only benefits. So thank you to all of you. This is just the small introduction I want to give. If you are having any queries, just you can type to the chat box. I will get back to you. Okay, wish you good day.